Hello everybody. Today quite a boring day in general for the markets. So let's have a quick look. The S&P 500 again trying to test the resistance zone but got pushed back down. So not much going on. A gain of 0.07%. Gold. What is gold doing? Also the same here. Testing the resistance zone, can't break through. I did draw this pattern. It's like the most bullish one I can come up with for the moment. So we would have a retracement to the 1820 region. So that's like the most bullish scenario for this type of pattern, but it can go all the way down to the 0.886 retracement. We will see how it plays out here. I'm not going to short this one. Probably I will start to ladder in according to the Fibonacci levels. Okay, so no big news here. Then silver. Also the same here, still trapped between the point of control and the resistance zone. Also no news here. And then Bitcoin, also quite boring today, nothing special to mention. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. And there we can see that today it nicely retested the line of the triangle that I did draw yesterday. So again we are failing to break out of 40k, or at least we break out a little bit and get slammed down immediately. So it looks like somebody doesn't like price to go above this level. So we have been testing this also already quite a while, so let's see what happens. I still think we will go lower, maybe this weekend with low volume. We will see. So far no news either from Bitcoin dominance. This one went up a bit. And okay, then let's have a look at the algo trading. For Bitcoin, we shortly had a buy signal during the day, but now it's gone again since price is below the $40,070. Ethereum, we're still waiting here for the break of the parabolic SAR. The reason why I used that one, I didn't elaborate on that one yet. For example, you can see here that price is going to the moon, but the algo is following quite slowly. And as you can see here at a given moment, it just goes flat, while price is still in these upper ranges. And I find it more useful to use the parabolic SAR as a stop loss, but as a hard stop loss. So as soon as it gets hit, we're out, because in this case, if we have a look, there's still 14% and a half before we would get a signal over here under the ATR TSS algo. So that's in my opinion a bit too much. So here a hard stop, we're out, and then we wait for the next signal. So what goes for the upward price movement, I do the same for the downward movement. So here we still need to wait for how much? If we take the current price, yeah, we still need to wait an increase of 40%. So I wait for the parabolic SAR to be touched, and then we go in and we go all the way up. We're not going to wait until the algo gives the buy. Or if Bitcoin gives the buy signal, then I would do the same for Ethereum. but it looks they're quite close. So the parabolic SAR is at 2,912, and the high today was 2,888. So we were quite close breaking it. All right, Bitcoin Cash, we're still good. XRP today went below, so we got a sell signal during the day, but price went up again, so we still keep our long open. And that's also the advantage of trading this style. It is that we don't have a hard stop loss set. For us as small traders, it's not really an issue, but once you start trading with millions, you don't want to put your orders in the order book, because the market makers, they can see that. They can see that your stop loss is there, and or they will make use of it for liquidity and will trap your stop loss and then go up again, or they will avoid that price touches it because there's too much liquidity over there that they don't want to be touched, and then they go higher. So that in that case it would be more of a benefit, but usually they just try to stop you out to grab the liquidity. So here, no matter how low price goes, as long as we come back up, we don't sell. So also in this case, theoretically we would have sold, but since there's no hard stop loss set, we let price action go up and down, do its fluctuation during the day. We end above, okay, no problem, we keep the long. Do we end below? Okay, we close our long and we go short. So this one is also fine. We are still in the long. And then Tezos. Tezos did touch it, I believe. The high was 4.69. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we got a sell signal during the day, but then it went lower again. So it looks like with the next push up, we will close above. All right, let's have a look how we are doing. XRP for the moment, $27 in profit, so that's around 2.7%. Bitcoin Cash, and there we have $33 of profit, so 3%. So that's nice. And the good thing is also, I see the funding is now positive, and for XRP, yeah, for XRP it's also positive now. Earlier today it was still negative, so that means that the people who are short, they are paying for the longs. So actually we got paid to be in our long position. So you got now it's 0.01, but suppose that it was during the day minus 0.01. It means you get every 4 hours, I believe it changes. So every 4 hours you get another 0.01 percent of interest paid to you. So that's quite interesting to be long when sentiment is really bearish. So now the opposite is true. The sentiment starts to turn bullish, or is bullish. So now the bulls have to pay the bears. So now, and as you can see here, the daily realized PNL, we're now at minus 0.19. So this is the fee we had to pay for the past hours, because now we have a positive funding rate. But this is not really something to worry about. Those are neglectable fees that need to be paid. But on the other hand, if you get extra money, why not? It's always nice. All right, that's it, I guess. Maybe the fear and greed index. Yeah, you see, we went up. Yesterday we were still at extreme fear, so now we're getting more bullish. We're going now into the fear stage. The value of 27, and then maybe also for the stock market. Always nice to see. Yeah, it's still the same, 36 at fear. So that's it for me today. So quite a boring day. Let's hope maybe tomorrow we will see some more price action. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.